In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lightbox in Webflow 2025. Whether you're showcasing a gallery of images or embedding a selection of videos, understanding how to efficiently use the Lightbox feature can really enhance the visual appeal of your website. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll need to add your Lightbox. Begin by clicking on the plus icon located in the left toolbar. This action opens the Add Elements panel. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also simply press the A key to access this panel. Once you're in the Add Elements panel, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Here you will see the Lightbox option. Click on it and drag it directly onto your site wherever you want it to appear. With the Lightbox now in place, it's time to populate it with some media. Click on your newly added Lightbox element. This will open up the Settings panel on the right side of your screen. Under the Lightbox link settings, you'll see a plus icon next to the Media option. Click on this icon and you'll be given the choice to add either an image or a video. Select your preferred media type, browse through your files, and make your selection. If you have more images or videos to add, you can simply click the plus icon again to keep on expanding your gallery within the Lightbox. Now, you might be curious about how the Lightbox decides on the thumbnail image. Well, a thumbnail is automatically created for each media entry you add. But what if you want to customize this thumbnail to make sure it perfectly represents the content? Don't worry, this is certainly doable. In the Settings panel for the Lightbox, you'll find the Image Settings section. Here, you can manually change the thumbnail to any image you prefer, ensuring it aligns with your site's theme or the specific nuances of your gallery. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a Lightbox to your Webflow site. This simple yet powerful tool can make a significant impact on how your site's visitors interact with your content, making their experience both eye-catching and memorable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to unlock the full potential of Lightbox in Webflow 2025. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions or leave feedback in the comments below. Happy designing!